Hello, I'm Jeff, I'm from France and I'm a connector and a catalyst. So I like to connect, to go to events, to connect with people, to do interviews, to learn from their systems and what they have done in their business, and then to be able to teach that on different stages all over the world where I can bring back this value to people and help them grow their business like from 2 to 10 times in a very short period. So I really like to find the accelerator for your business. So if you are interested in growing your business globally using digital marketing, I'll be there for you. So just please contact me and we'll share together. Thank you.